Hi there. Finding the 5 best electric treadmill for home gym worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is NordicTrack Electric Treadmill. The commercial 2950 treadmill from NordicTrack is one of the most full-featured machines I've tested, coming with everything from automatic incline control. My favorite feature, however, is its access to iFit's extensive library of interactive workouts. With iFit, you're able to run essentially anywhere, yet still from the comfort of your home. Rather, you could be running through real-world locales that offer a breath of fresh air from standard treadmill routines. The automatically adjusting resistance feature mentioned above is a game changer, and, as the name suggests, allows the trainers to fully control the incline, decline, and speed of the treadmill as you run along. All you have to worry about is just running. What holds the 2950 back from nabbing the top spot in this guide is its price, which is roughly double the cost of the ProForm Pro 2000. Still, it's worth the investment for those who want access to a huge library of interactive classes and a premium-built treadmill. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lifespan Fitness Electric Folding Treadmill. Some people dislike working out on a treadmill because of the pressure it places on their joints. The Lifespan TR3000i attempts to alleviate some of this pressure by using a shock absorption system in the treadmill's deck. It has a 20 by 56-inch running surface, 15 incline levels, and a 6-inch LCD screen that shows your time, calories, distance covered, steps, heart rate, speed, and incline. The 8 shock absorber elements in the deck ensure that it remains both stable and comfortable to run on. If you at all have foot, knee, or joint issues, you'll want to at least consider this one when shopping. Beyond its shock-absorbing capabilities, the TR3000i has a number of fun features to give you variety in your workouts, too, including a tablet holder, a USB charging port, and compatibility with iPods. It also has built-in speakers, folds up for easy storage, and physical console buttons that are sometimes easier to use when making adjustments than only relying on the touchscreen. Number 3. Our third best pick is 3G Cardio Elite Electric Runner Treadmill. Few treadmills made for use at home will deliver the kind of quiet performance that the 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill delivers. It's made for tall or heavy runners looking for a tough workout, but you'll pay more than $3,000 for the kind of quality that this 3G Cardio unit delivers. It has an OrthoFlex shock suspension system to minimize the stress of impact for runners, and the 22 by 62-inch platform is perfect for running. The 3G Cardio comes with many pre-programmed workouts and a fitness level test. You have access to speed and elevation settings, heart rate control, and workout customization. This treadmill also has a 4.0 horsepower motor and 3-inch rollers for great performance. As you would expect with a treadmill with such a high price point, the 3G Cardio Elite consists of thick steel tubing in the frame. It's also rather expensive, so this is really only for serious runners who want a treadmill that will last a lifetime. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ProForm Performance Electric Treadmill. With a 60-inch length, this is the ideal treadmill for runners with long legs or long strides. However, with such an extended length, keep your ceiling heights in mind when folding for storage. Folded up and locked, this treadmill has about a 55-inch storage height. The deck itself is designed with ProShock's cushioning technology, which will not only cushion each footfall and provide support but is rated for an impressive 325 pounds. Even at its maximum 12% incline, all weight types will have a solid and uninterrupted run with zero machine lag. But the thing we loved best is the impressive quantity of running programs, 22 to be exact, that will suit users of all levels of physical training. For your guaranteed safety, this company tests each and every belt at double the user weight before release. When exercise is over, it folds up and locks easily, allowing you to fully reclaim your living space, The one complaint we have, it's not as easy to assemble as it says to be. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Soul F63 Electric Treadmill. If you want a high-quality walking treadmill under $1,000 with a competitive warranty, the Soul F63 is a solid choice. At just $999, the Soul F63 offers commercial-grade treadmill components such as a durable 2-ply belt, advanced deck cushioning, 2.5 inches track rollers and a heavy-duty motor with heavy-duty flywheels. It's all about high-quality foundations on the Soul F63. You won't find any flashy high-tech extras on the F63, but you are guaranteed durability, quality, and enough workout programming and stats tracking capabilities to keep you motivated. The 6.5 inches LCD works with Soul's fitness app for stats tracking and data sharing. Its competitive warranty offers lifetime coverage on the frame and motor, 3 years on the parts, deck, and electronics, and 1 year on labor. The F63 continues to be one of Soul's most popular treadmills, and we aren't surprised. At just $999 with a competitive warranty, it's the perfect treadmill choice for walkers. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.